What are the impacts of meditation and yoga on our brain and body? How can we use it as a tool to keep ourselves healthy and young for longer time? And how meditation and yoga can be used to stop the process of aging, and particularly the aging of brain in our body. In this video, I am going to report a new study. Good morning. My name is Upendra and you are watching my YouTube channel Live Theoretics, and here this is my special segment in which I shoot the videos during my morning walk, in my morning exercise, and I expect that people who are watching, who are listening, should be doing their morning walk, morning exercise, and in that environment I try to help them with the latest research reports on health and fitness which are coming out and published in scientific journals, health related journals. Let's start the walk. Today I'll discuss two reports related to yoga and exercise. In the first report, it went up to 6 years, started right in 2016 and then ended in March 2022. For these 6 years, the results were extremely important, related to meditation and yoga. And the second study is about how exercise can be used as a medicine. Be with me till the end of this video. This study was done in France, at the Institute of Health and Medicine Research, and it started in 2016 and ended recently last year in 2022. For long 6 years, I think it is a significant time to observe the result of any kind of health and fitness program, and that is what exactly the doctors in France have done. They included 4,000 people. Doctors were studying the effect of meditation and yoga on mind. Basically, their target was to study the brain health, and after 6 years of study, they found their brain health was extremely healthier, and the process of degeneration that starts with dementia and that terminated into the form of Alzheimer and other neurodegenerative diseases. These activities were very helpful in stopping those processes and slowing down the aging process of brain cells. Their brain health was found extremely in a very good condition, and they were able to stop the onset of degenerative processes including dementia and Alzheimer. Even in younger population, this result, its study has found a similar result. These patients were able to gain their bone and muscles by practicing these two activities. These were studies at a cellular level. It is not just a hypothesis that these doctors have given, but it's a realistic result of the study. Degeneration of brain cells is the process which is very difficult to tackle with, and here I will refer another study where it has been found that even 15 minutes yoga was very helpful in gaining muscle and bone health. You must have other exercises as well, like brisk walking, running. So along with these activities, one should include yoga and meditation, even if 10 to 15 minutes in their morning routine. Second study is about how exercise can be used as a medicine. It was done in Michigan University. It has been just published. The experiment was done on 1200 college students who were players, athletes, and who had injuries, severe to mild injuries of various kinds of bone and muscles. There were two groups. One group was kept isolated after exercise and given cocoon therapy. Cocoon therapy is actually the procedure, the therapy doctors do recommend that once you have injury, you should get yourself isolated and have a complete bed rest and get yourself healed. This is what is called traditional cocoon therapy. So in one group, patients were given this cocoon therapy, and another group was also there, which had been asked to do some exercise, even very light walk. It started within 48 hours of their injury. For the first day they were asked to rest, but within 48 hours of their injury they were asked to walk lightly or do some movement. Within a few days it was found that the level of recovery was extremely remarkable in these cases where people were asked to perform some exercise. Some of them were asked to walk at the rate of 3.5 miles per hour, and of course till the distance their body could permit. In these cases, the time they took in healing was exactly half the time the normal players took in healing who were given the cocoon therapy. It was a very significant outcome. Exercise is not just a physical activity, but it can be used as a medicine in healing bones and muscles if they are injured, if they are torn, if they are fractured. And here I would like to refer another study which was published recently, in which doctors were giving turmeric drink to soccer players who had severe injuries, who had their bones fractured. They gave turmeric drink. The drink was very simple. It was nothing, just turmeric powder in liquid. So it was found that those who were given this turmeric drink had a very quick recovery of their bone and muscles in comparison to those who were given the normal medicine and who had gone through the normal. If you have injuries, definitely you will talk to your doctors, you must talk to your trainer that how much and in what form you can apply exercise as a medicine. You can choose to go out, or you can take a light movement, or you can take a light walk for healing in your injury. I discussed these in fact 3 research studies today, because just to show how exercise, walking, yoga and meditation can be extremely helpful in keeping yourself young for long, in keeping your brain cells healthier, in keeping your muscles and bone healthier for long time. We can use exercises as our tool, our powerful tool to keep aging away from us. That is the final outcome of these studies. So this much for today. Please join me tomorrow in another video.